Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency, where we make learning Japanese fun and easy. I'm Reg, and in today's lesson, we're diving into JLPT in 5 Grammar Explanation, Lesson 7. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your grammar skills, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be exploring some essential grammar points that will help you in your journey to mastering Japanese. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Hajime. Ichiban, noun, tool or means, de, verb. The particle de indicates a method or a means used for an action. For example, hashi de tabimasu. I eat with chopsticks. Nihongo de reporto o kakimasu. I write a report in Japanese. Nibang, word or sentence. This question is used to ask how to say a word or a sentence in other languages. For example, arigato wa eigo de nan desu ka? What's arigato in English? Thank you desu. It's thank you. Thank you wa Nihongo de nan desu ka? What's thank you in Japanese? Arigato desu. It's arigato. Sangbang, noun, person ni agimasu, etc. Verbs like agimasu, kashimasu, oshimasu, etc. need persons to whom you give, lend, teach, etc. The persons are marked with ni. For example, Yamada-san wa Kimura-san ni hana o agimashita. Mr. Yamada gave flowers to Miss Kimura. Isa nihon o kashimashita. I lent my book to Miss Lee. Taro ko ni eigo o shimasu. I teach Taro English. Note with verbs like okorimasu, denwa o kakimasu, etc. Place nouns can be used instead of person. In this case, the particle e is sometimes used instead of ni. For example, kaisha ni denwa o kakimasu. I'll call my office. Yobang, noun person, ni, moraimasu, etc. Verbs like moraimasu to receive, karimasu to borrow, and naraimasu to learn express actions from the receiving side. The persons from whom you receive those actions are marked with ni. For examples, Kimura-san wa Yamada-san ni hana o moraimashita. Miss Kimura received flowers from Mr. Yamada. Karina-san ni CD o karimashita. I borrowed a CD from Miss Karina. Wan-san ni Shogo Kugo o naraimasu. I learned Chinese from Mr. Wang. Kara is sometimes used instead of ni in this sentence pattern. When you receive something from an organization like a school or a company, only kara is used. For example, Kimura-san wa Yamada-san kara hana o moraimashita. Miss Kimura received flowers from Yamada. Genko kara o kane o kairemashita. I borrowed some money from the bank. Gobang, mo verb mashita. Mo means already and is used with verb mashita. In this case, verb mashita means that the action has been finished. The answer to the question, mo verb mashita ka, is hai mo verb mashita or iye mada desu. For example, mo nimotsu o okorimashita ka? Have you sent the parcel yet? Hai mo okorimashita. Yes, I have already sent it. Iye mada desu. No, not yet. In giving a negative answer to this type of question, you should not use verb masendeshita as this simply means you did not do the specified task rather than you have not done it yet. And that wraps up today's lesson on JLPT in 5 grammar. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you feel more confident in your Japanese studies. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to review these points and try using them in your conversations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Mata ne!